In this video, we'll troubleshoot SSL certificate issues on your Wix site. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, protects your site by encrypting data and displaying HTTPS in the URL. It's an important feature for keeping your site and visitors secure. Here's how we'll troubleshoot. Check your domain's DNS records. Verify that DNSSEC is not signed or turned on. Ensure custom HTML elements on your site use HTTPS. Now let's dive in. For your SSL certificate to work, your domain must be connected correctly. There are 3 ways to connect a domain: purchasing it from Wix, using name servers, or the pointing method. We'll briefly cover troubleshooting steps for each connection type. If you're not sure what type of connection method you're using, click on the on-screen link or check the one in the video description for a helpful guide. If you purchased your domain from Wix, go to Domains in your Wix account. Click the menu near the relevant domain and choose Manage DNS Records. Then make sure the following values are correct: A record 185.230.63.107, CNAME record initial.wixdns.net. If you need to change a record, click Edit next to it. Keep in mind it can take up to 48 hours for changes to update. Next, if your domain is connected by name servers, check if your domain's name servers match the ones Wix provided you when you connected your domain to your site. Go to your domain host account and look for your domain name servers under your DNS management settings. After you found your current name servers, compare them to the Wix name server details you received when connecting your domain to your site. If they don't match, update your name servers in your domain host's account. Keep in mind that changes can take up to 48 hours to update. The pointing method connects your domain to your Wix site by configuring the A and CNAME records in your domain's DNS settings. To check if these records are correct, log into your domain host's DNS settings, find the A and CNAME records, and compare them to the ones Wix provided when you connected your domain. Then, change them if needed. Remember that any changes to your DNS records take up to 48 hours to take effect. If your domain is from an external host, confirm with them that DNSSEC is not signed and turned off, as it can delay SSL activation. If you purchased your domain from Wix, DNSSEC is already disabled, so you can skip this step. You can confirm that DNSSEC is turned off using a tool like whos.com, your domain settings, or by contacting your host. If you've added custom HTML code to your site, make sure it uses HTTPS instead of HTTP. In your editor or studio editor, go to the page with the HTML element. Click the element, then select Edit Code. Replace HTTP with HTTPS if needed. Repeat this for all HTML elements on your site, and after you're done, publish your site for the changes to take effect. Let's quickly recap the steps we covered in this video. Check your DNS records. Wait for propagation. Verify DNSSEC isn't signed or turned on. Update custom HTML elements in your site to use HTTPS. By completing these steps, your SSL certificate should now be active and your site will load securely with HTTPS. Still having trouble? Update your operating system if it's outdated, as older systems may not recognize modern SSL certificates. All links and resources mentioned are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and check out our other tutorials in our Help Center and YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.